Aloha, good morning. This is Karumbi Davis of Karumbi Realty International, and I want to reintroduce you to Coral Strand Unit 803 that we have strategically priced for outstanding value. So let's go take a look at that beautiful oceanfront view that this unit has. One of the features I'll highlight in this unit is the wonderful gourmet kitchen. We have Sub-Zero and Wolf appliances in the kitchen. Absolutely stunning, beautiful Bella Pietra tile, and ready for you to make your gourmet meal. And let's not forget about the spa bathroom, and it even comes with a rain shower. Absolutely fantastic. So come and make an appointment. Definitely give me a call. It's absolutely stunning. The building Coral Strand comes with a heated oceanfront pool, and you're minutes away from Waikiki and Kahala Mall. So absolutely a must to see.